Mary, nested in southeastern Turkmenistan near the historic ruins of Mervi and the vibrant desert expanses beyond. Serve as a key culture and transit hub, thought not a tourist hotspot, the city offers hotels that are reliable, comfortable, and infused with Turkmen hospitality. Whether you are passing through on business, exploring ancient sites, or venturing into the desert, these accommodations provide a practical and welcoming base. The first one is Mary Hotel, a landmark of local hospitality. This full service hotel features clean, spacious rooms complete with modern furnishing and essential amenities. Notable highlight includes an elegant on-site restaurant offering regional dishes, a welcoming lobby with attentive service, and an electric generator ensuring seamless power during any outages. Its central location coupled with consistent comfort make it a dependable pick for both tourists and business travelers. The second one is Hotel Turan. Hotel Turan offer a solid mid-range option with comfortable rooms, practical furnishing, and helpful staff. Guests appreciate the tour desk, integral for arriving a visit to nearby historical sites. Despite the absence of high-end luxury, its ease, cleanliness, and stability make it a strong choice for travelers exploring ancient Mervi or those on official business. Third one is Hotel Mary 3. Close to urban amenities, Hotel Mary 3 caters to budget conscious travelers with its simple, clean rooms and reliable Wi Fi. The friendly reception staff, useful parking, and straightforward no frills service and add to its value. Ideal for stopovers are travelers seeking affordable practicality. Guests often feel welcome and well cared for. The fourth one is guest houses near the central mosque. Tucked within local neighborhoods, these small guest houses offer authentic hospitality, are clean and modest. With warm hosts who often serve home cooked meals and help guests with local guidance, they offer deep cultural immersion. The guest houses are especially recommended for travelers eager to experience Mary through the eye of its residents. The fifth one is Hotel Vaisalam. Hotel Vaisalam offer comfortable air-conditioned rooms with friendly service and functional amenities. Guests often highlight the peaceful vibe and the central yet quiet location, perfect for restful evenings after exploring the nearby historical attractions. No extravagant frills, but consistently reliable hospitality. The next one is residence complexes. For longer stays or group visitors, several residence-style hotels offer apartments layouts with kitchens, living spaces, and flexible accommodations. These setups provide extra comfort and independence, making them suitable for families, researchers, or extended travelers needing more than just a bed. The next one is Budget Inn near Mary Airport. Hotel near airport cater to transit passengers with round-the-clock front desk service and flexible access. Simple, clean, and practical, these infrequently offer airport transfers and convenience over luxury. Ideal for early departures or late arrivals with minimal fuss. The next one is deluxe options with international flair. Emerging properties in Mary aim to elevate standards by including refined lobbies, stylish furnishing, and enhanced amenities. For a few, these newer offerings cater to guests seeking familiarity, a higher aesthetic level, or comfort that mirrors international expectations. The second last is riverbank hotels. Some lodging capitalize on proximity to the Ammu Darya River, offering peaceful views, shaded terraces, and serene design. Their claiming waterfront ambience make them popular for travelers longing to unwind amid nature after a day discovering dunes and desert trails. The last one is multifunctional hotel complexes. Larger hotel complexes in Mary combine lounging with facilities like in-house restaurant, event halls, and Wi-Fi lounge. They suit travelers who prefer a single place that handles dining, meeting, and rest, especially for conferences. Seminars are organized groups exploring the region together. Many hotel scene may not be flashy, but it offer a blend of efficiency, tradition, and quiet comfort. Whether you are seeking corporate convenience, local warmth, extended stay option with some homely touch, or a scenic riverside escape, this list cover a range of preferences.